now I have modified my Mead ETX 125 to accept. So I think I will use the max vision with this. It goes better, gives a better result. It looks heavier. The picture quality is amazing. The camera cannot show it really. Oh, I never saw through a 8-inch telescope. This is the first time I'm seeing. And I just want to show you how actually my setup is. The mirror, I want to show you the mirror. It's covered in muck and cobweb. And I'm looking through a net. And yet the image is sharp. Oh, if you don't have a 8-inch telescope, buy one. That's completely different setup. You will not see anything unless you have this telescope. That's amazing. Okay, this is a Celestron C8-N f5 telescope. And now we are in allotment and you can see the moon, and this is the first time actually I'm looking through an 8-inch telescope, so let's go and see what we can find. I added the weights and the balance. Telescope is balanced, so you can move it any direction, it stays where it is. Can you believe this? I got this telescope for £80. No, sorry, £50. With lots of eyepieces. I don't think I've seen the moon in so much detail with any telescope. This is amazing, and I know a lot about the moon already. I'm telling you much more than any other detail. The only thing I've not done is landing on the moon. And I'm saying you all the features that I know and you cannot see without a telescope, and I look for them. I look for them because that's part of my expertise. I cannot see with the normal telescopes, a smaller telescope, but this big one clearly shows it. I have to put proper digi camera adapter, but I will do it later, probably when I have the time. At the moment, that's the moon. And we have been watching the moon through the net in the allotment, through a dirty mirror. The contrast is amazing. Get an 8-inch if you can. I've seen the straight fall, I've seen the open valley, very easy actually. And the only thing is that this telescope doesn't have a motor. What you see near the left of the center, a little crater, that is actually the igneous real end crater or mid crater. It's amazing. See so many lava flows. This area, which is darker and near the lower left center, is very rugged, some part of it. I try to put an arrow on it if I can when I'm editing the video, but I may not.